Can you believe it? For just a few bucks, this old craftsman transforms a busted, decades-old basin into something as good as new. I walk in with a hopeless look, holding up a battered basin and ask, "Hey, can this still be fixed?" The craftsman barely glanced at it and smiled. "Sure thing, that'll be $3 or $4. $2, deal?" I hang on, deal. And then the magic begins. With steady hands, he taps with a hammer, scrubs with iron, and grinds with stone. It's pure craftsmanship. Finally, the basin is done. The edges are smooth, with no sharp bit left. The craftsman beams and runs his hands along the rim. "Look, not a scratch on your hand." I squint suspiciously. "Pour some water in it." Water trickles down. Not a single leak. My face lights up with a grin. Good as new.